Hello, I'm Rohit, and today, in this video, I'm gonna explain to you 4 important methods. The first method is the search method. This method, we use it to search about the element inside the node itself. I already gave you a small explanation about the search method. Now I'm gonna explain it as a code. But first, let me give you a small information about the binary tree. So as we know, this part of the tree called a root and this part called a terminal node. And also we know that the left side of the tree contain the small number and the right side contain a bigger number. So the first part of the code, this part, what basically do is search about specific element and return the element. So public generic type search, we assign here the variable element and return the search element and the root. The second part of the code is the main method. So the main method here, we type it as a protected because in order to protect it from any outside access, as we know this class is a public class, so we want to protect the main method. So this part of the code, it will check the tree if it's empty or not. If it's empty, it will return me a null. If it's b equal to null, then return me a null. There is no value, there is no variable in the tree. The second one is else if element.compare_to b.key is smaller than 0, so search in the left side. So as we know, the compare_to method has 3 cases. The first one, if it's smaller than 0, it's a negative, then search in the left side. But if it's bigger than 0, it's a positive number, so search in the right side. So this is the first case. If it's smaller than 0, then search in the left side. For example, if I want to find a 10, first of all, is 10 is smaller than 13? Yes. So go and search in the left. This is 10. And the second case is if the element is bigger than 0, then search in the right. So for example, I want to find 31. 31 is bigger than 13, then we'll go here in the right side. This is 31. The last case is if it's not bigger than 0 or smaller than 0, then there's no element. So just return b.key. The second method is the preorder method. And it basically goes from the root to the left node to the right node. As I already told you that the preorder method, it goes from the root to the left node and then to the right node. So now we will see it as a code. So this is the first part, it is the helper method. So it's a public void preorder. Then we will code the same method for the roots. So this is the helper method. Now is the second part of the second method. It's the main method. So here it's a protected, as I already told you here in the search method. We assign it as a protected because we want to not allow any access from outside. So it's a void here because we want to search. We don't have to retain any elements. So if b it's not equal to null, this part to check if the tree is not empty. If it's not empty, it will do all this. First it will visit b, the root, then the left node, then the right node. The third method is the inordered method, and it goes from the left node to the root to the right. Now it's the third method. It's the inordered method, and as I already told you that The unordered method goes from the left node to the root to the right node, and this is the helper method, and it's a public void unordered. We call the same method for the root, and also here protected, as I already told you before, because we don't want to any outside access. So here, if B is not null, if the tree is not empty, then do this. Go to the left, then to the root, then to the right. The fourth method is the post-ordered method. And the post-ordered method goes from the left node to the right node, then to the fourth and the last method is the post-ordered method. The post-ordered method is, as I already told you, that goes from the left node to the right, then to the roots, and this is the part is the helper method, and this the part is the main method. And here let's check if the tree is empty. It's not empty. It will do all this. It will go to the left, then to the right, then to the roots. Till here I explained the four important methods: the search method, the pre-ordered method, the unordered method, and the post-ordered method. I hope you like it and have a good day.